Hello, today we would like to present our queuing theory calculator, which we made using Excel VBA. First, we start on the main dashboard. Here, you can see a reference legend explaining the symbols and a list of all supported queuing models. To begin, we simply click the Open Calculator button. This launches the input interface. This form is dynamic, meaning when you select a model from the drop-down, it automatically shows only the relevant input fields for that specific model. Also, if a user enters invalid data, the system immediately shows a warning message to prevent calculation errors. Once valid inputs are entered, clicking Calculate opens the results screen. On the left, we see key performance metrics, and on the right, there is a detailed list showing the state probabilities calculated for the first 20 states.
This part is the behind-the-scenes logic that powers our user screens. We split everything into modules to keep the project clean and reusable. First, in mod globals, we have a container called QData to store all our results, like wait times and probability tables. We use reset QData to clear everything before a run. In mod main, the start DC macro is our startup button. The brain of the project is the Q calculation model. We put reusable formulas here, like fact and Poisson probability, so any model can use them. We also have wordlet probabilities to handle limited capacity models. This calculates the steady state to show how the system behaves when it's full and how many customers are blocked. Finally, we use input helpers for data validation. Methods like is whole number and to double catch typing mistakes and handle different decimal formats so the tool doesn't crash. Overall, the user framework handles the look of the tool, while these modules handles the maths and the results.
Okay, we have two users form. The first one is for inputs data, and the other one is outputs data. For inputs user form, the code here makes the user form appear on the right side for user-friendly interface, and the inputs are displayed according to the selected model here. And K-press validation only allows the inputs of numerical values. And here's the button codes. And the logical input validation warning if incorrect values are entered. And this part performs the appropriate calculation for according to the selected model. And we have a separate calculation model for 7 models. And also, we arrange the input so that the lambda value is at the top, and that there is no between space other inputs data. And this is the output user form, and the values calculated according to the model we selected in the output forms. And that's all.